Hello, Sandy Morgan. If you're like many of my clients, you may get overwhelmed with all the aspects of bookkeeping required to operate your company. I have written, compiled, and created some tools to simplify bookkeeping in your business. The place to start is to review and understand the 7 keys to bookkeeping that I've developed through years of working with clients of all different sizes in all different industries. No matter what type of business you have, smart business decisions start with accurate and up-to-date financial information. The first key is to keep all personal and business finances separate. The reason is not only to see how your business is doing, but to reduce the IRS hobby versus business exposure. You see, the IRS has criteria to make sure that you're a business that can take valid business deductions versus a hobby which is not allowed to take deductions. Also, if you're an LLC or incorporated, you want to ensure that the extra personal liability protection is going to cover you. I recommend that all businesses have one checking account, one savings account, and one business credit card that gets paid off each month. The second key is properly setting up your chart of accounts. Your chart of accounts is simply a list of names that each transaction is assigned to in your business. They ensure consistent and accurate reporting so that you maximize your income and expenses for tax purposes. We have a chart of accounts available for purchase. It was developed in conjunction with a CPA, and it correlates with the tax return lines for easy tax preparation. Everything you enter on a customer's invoice needs to be tracked. Key number 3 is to make sure that you set up items for everything you sell. This is crucial to tracking accurate sales and inventory, expenses, cost of goods, and profitability. And don't forget to include shipping, handling charges, and sales tax. Key number 4 is to maintain accurate inventory levels and do physical counts if you sell products. Whether you use QuickBooks, Peachtree, or another accounting program, setting up and tracking your inventory is critical to your business and mandatory for filing your income taxes. Your profitability is based on these numbers. Many times I see inventory not being accounted for, such as spoilage or salesman samples. I also see large discrepancies in what's on the books versus what's in the warehouse. Key number 5 is the most difficult for small entrepreneurs who handle all aspects of their business. Bookkeeping should be the second most important function that you do on a daily basis in your company. The first is sales and marketing. Business decisions will only be effective if they are based on current information. Enter all your receipts and invoices on a daily basis or as they occur. Make it a habit. Key number 6 is probably the number 1 thing most of my clients fail to do on a consistent basis. Reconciling all accounts, including bank accounts, PayPal, and credit cards, ensures that all expenses and deposits were entered. Reconciliation also catches any bank errors or errors that maybe you made when you're entering the transactions. They are also used to ensure that you're taking advantage of all available tax deductions. I recommend that you choose the same day each month after the statements are received to reconcile all your accounts. Sign up for a free reconciliation reminder that I send out each month if you need a little accountability and encouragement. The last key will help your business grow by using your bookkeeping. You won't know if you need to increase your sales, adjust your cost of goods, or reduce expenses unless you have up-to-date and accurate financial information. Reaching financial goals can only be accomplished if you know where you want to go and comparing that to where you are. Run an income statement, which is also known as a profit and loss or a P&L statement, and a balance sheet every month after you have entered all transactions and reconciled your accounts for the previous month. I hope this information was useful, especially if you're just starting your business or trying to get a handle on your bookkeeping. Step-by-step bookkeeping gives you the tools, the resources, and most importantly, the help that you need to make sure your books are done and done right. We have monthly, quarterly, and yearly options that come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and you can cancel at any time. I am confident that you'll not only save lots of money in accounting fees, and costly bookkeeping mistakes, but that you will save time and gain a better understanding of the numbers that you need to grow your business. Join us to receive step-by-step solutions. Simply fill out the form below and get your bookkeeping under control today.